Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be drum roll please. Can I have a stick drum roll? Make some slime. So today I have 3 kinds of slime. My mom's in the background doing stuff. Hey, she's gonna help us later. Right now she has to do stuff for the trash and she's putting out the trash and stuff. But I got 3 types of glue. I got a glitter glue, I got a metallic glue, and I got a glow-in-the-dark glue. And Mom, which one do you think I should do?
I think you should do the what is the only one that you haven't tried before?
This one, this one, this one.
You did metallic though.
When?
It was like a pinkish red color.
Oh yeah. So these are the 2 that I haven't done.
How about you do the glow in the dark so that way when you're making another one, the glow in the dark can have time to set in the light.
Yep. So we're gonna be making. That's loud.
Well, just momentarily.
Loud. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Okay, so now we take this glow in the dark glue and put it in the bowl. This is daily. And I still haven't found a hack to get it out. I need a machine or something that just does this the whole time.
You want to learn a trick that might help for your next one?
Yeah.
Oh wait, let me get a smaller cup first.
Here, Mom, also do this one.
Okay.
I'm only doing 2, Mom, because I don't know where a 3rd container is. Okay, well that's gonna be all we're gonna do because yeah, that's all I can do right now. Sorry about the loud noise. You know, it's just my mom. Okay, she's done.
Do you want dinner?
Yeah, I do want dinner.
Okay then.
My mom's making my favorite. A lid full. I'm a professional slimer now. Yeah, people. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I'm not. Sorry, my mom has to move the camera. Ta-da! Back down. Mom, we need to be in the film.
Hold on.
So are you gonna help me now in the video?
Momentarily, child.
Don't call me child.
I will call you whatever I feel like.
Another? Thanks, Mom. I guess now my mom's a professional camera person.
Trying to be.
And I still have excess glue in this. So. Set it up.
Zip. Yeah, you've got a lot left in this.
Yep, I know. So I can make a whole other batch.
Look.
Perfect.
Careful.
Look, guys. I guess my mom is a hack person too.
Hack.
I guess she can't. Let's hope she can't hack into my YouTube. Yeah. Someone's here.
I know.
I'll make a part 2. Bye.